Now, when you see a number of big financial institutions or big corporates suggesting that a stock is a good opportunity for you to buy, that ought to be taken as a good a sign or a signal to you to say that that stock might be trading at a discounted price. In fact, me personally, when I hear something like this, I know very well that I should quickly go and have a look at that stock and see if I can start investing on it, because like I always say, these big financial institutions might know some of the news that you don't know, or some of the latest developments that you don't know about these companies. I mean, in one of my previous videos that I did on this channel, I covered a certain stock that one of its big latest developments was announced by one of the big financial institutions after having a close meeting with that company or that stock, which is something that is incredible. And because that we saw from that stock resulting in so many retail investors investing or increasing their holdings on that stock. So when we hear big financial institutions or big guns that have been doing this investing game for a long time, suggesting or indicating that a certain stock might be trading at a good discounted price, this ought not to be taken very lightly. You should take these as good opportunities for you to go in and add positions or buy stocks like this, because they turn out to be great. Otherwise, on today's video, guys, I want to talk to you about a stock that I've discussed a lot about on this channel, and this is the stock that so many big financial institutions continue to indicate that this stock is a very good stock to buy right now. In fact, some believe that this stock could give you over 100% of returns in the next coming 12 months or so, which is something that is incredible and has to motivate you to probably go in and have a look into this stock. Otherwise, this stock that I'll be talking to you about today, this week, it went down by over 4%. And as seen on the screen, the stock that I'm talking about is none other than Alibaba. So Alibaba, with the ticker symbol BABA, went down by over 4% this week. And you remember that this is the stock that I've covered on this channel. I mean, the last time I covered this stock here, I was encouraging you to go and have a look, because the right-hand man of the famous Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, had indicated or had revealed that his company has been adding positions on this stock because they believe that it will do very well in the future. Now, this or that announcement of them saying that they have been increasing their holdings on Alibaba, don't take it very lightly, because those guys have been in this game for quite some time, and to hear that they've been adding, it also has to show you that they see a good opportunity on this stock. I mean, this is the stock that is currently trading around $158 per stock, and I believe that this is a very good trading price for this stock, because you will remember by now that this stock currently has a 52-week low of around $138 with a 52-week high of around $319. Now, this is the company which is set to do very well. I mean, a few weeks ago we read that this company just launched its new chip that will boost its cloud computing segment, which is something that is incredible. And you remember that even before this chip, their cloud computing has been doing quite well. Now, with this new chip that they just launched, it is set to boost their cloud computing segment, which is something that is incredible. Guys, I am telling you, this one of the stocks that I believe will get so many people to financial freedom, because the potential that lies within Alibaba, yes, I know you might come up with crackdowns and all those things, but those things are just affecting this stock for a short term. But this is one of the stock that I truly believe that it will do very well in the future. And for the fact that it's trading around $158 per stock, it's a good opportunity, especially when we look on where this stock could be in the future. I mean, this stock that has done tremendously well in the past, and I believe that it is going to do very well even in the future. So you better have a go and have a look into this stock, because I truly believe that this is one of those stocks that will do very well. Yes, I know some people might say China this, China that, but guys, all the things that you might be hearing from media or people that are happening in China, I some of those things are just happening for a short term, and you should not take those things and think that all Chinese tech stocks are bad for investments, because I tell you, my brother, my sister, you are going to miss out on the good opportunity that lies within these big Chinese tech stocks. Not just Alibaba, but all Chinese tech stocks are going to do very well in the future, which is something that you must have at the back of your mind before you decide not to have even a single Chinese share in your portfolio. I mean, just 3 days ago, we read an article saying that Barclays just indicated that now is the right time to buy the Chinese tech stocks, not just Alibaba, but the Chinese tech stock. They believe that it's a good opportunity for you to jump in. Now, this is one of the things that must indicate to you that there are tons and tons of opportunities that you can get from investing in this tech Chinese stock. Now, on that article, we read that they chose Alibaba as their top pick on those on all Chinese tech stocks, which is something that is incredible and has to show you the strong potential that lies within this Alibaba stock. So this is why I'm decided to do this video today, just to show you of the potential that lies within this Alibaba stock. This is one of the stocks that I personally invest in, and this is one of the stocks that I continue to add my holdings or increase my holdings on, because I believe in the strong fundamentals that surrounds these stocks. I believe in what they are doing and in where they are going, which is why I continue whenever I get a chance to add or to load the boat on this Alibaba stock. And like I said, I know that there are crackdowns on these stocks. I know that some of you might be scared to invest in Chinese tech stocks because of the previous crackdowns that had impacted these stocks. But let me tell you, in fact, the Chinese regulators indicated that these crackdowns might be finally over. I think, was it last month in October? They indicated that these crackdowns might be finally over on these big tech stocks in China, which is something that it must signal to you that we might finally see this stock recovering yet again. Now, Alibaba, guys, one of the catalysts which I believe it will sort of like revive, or it will add in terms of reviving this share price of Baba, is the upcoming earnings results, which Alibaba is set to announce on the 18th of November 2021. Now, you remember that these earnings are for the period which ended, or are for the quarter which ended in September of 2021. I believe that those earnings are going, Alibaba is going to sort of like, or probably report some good earnings, which is why I believe that those earnings will boost the share price of Baba. Now, Wall Street analysts expect Alibaba to report an EPS of around $1.95 with total revenues for the quarter of around 32 billion US dollars. Now, I personally believe that Alibaba might report better revenues and the better EPS or higher EPS than what analysts believe. But even if maybe worst case scenario they don't, this is a company which will do very well in the future, regardless of them beating the analyst expectations. This is a company that will definitely do well in the future, and I believe now this company is offering a good opportunity for you to and me to buy this stock at a discounted price. I mean, the current trading levels that we're seeing on this stock, even with the pandemic in around March of 2022, when all stocks went down, this stock never fell to these current trading levels that we are seeing right now of 158 US dollars per stock, which is something that sort of like has to show you what good price this stock is currently trading at. Now, in Wall Street, Alibaba currently has a buy rating with a price target of around $242.11, which is something that is incredible, because looking on where this stock is currently trading at, you and me can see that this is a good opportunity for you to jump in the stock, because it will do very well. Otherwise, guys, I continue to remain bullish on Alibaba, and if this stock continues to drop, I'm going to load the boat. Or if this stock continue to trade at this good attractive price, I'm going to continue loading the boat on this Alibaba stock, because I know that when they recover, then retail investors like myself are going to be very excited with the kind of returns that they've generated on this stock. I mean, I've always wanted to own this Alibaba stock. I mean, I remember the time it was trading around over 300 US dollars. I wanted to buy this stock, but I realized that, I saw that I probably overvalued, which is why I decided not to partake or decided to buy that stock trading over 300 US dollars then. But now this stock currently is trading at almost half of the price that it was trading at 12 months ago, which is something that is truly amazing, and just to motivate you to probably also think of loading the boat on this Alibaba stock. Otherwise, guys, all the things that I was saying about Alibaba, please don't take Otherwise, guys, don't take anything that I was saying about Baba as financial advice. This video was just for entertainment purposes. And I think if you need professional financial advice, you already know what to do by now. Otherwise, if you like the content that I was sharing to you about Baba, please don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time we release or a video about the stocks that we follow, like Alibaba and the others on this channel. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. God bless you all.